wrong with that. So tell me that, tell me I'm the best I am. I be feeling like yes I am. You know I'm the best I am. Yeah, for the night, take me. Hey loves, in today's video is just gonna be a day with me. This is the night before, and what I do the night before is I mainly sometimes prep my daughter's hair so the next day I can get her up and out and ready for school. Happy New Year, everyone. I forgot to say that. Happy New Year. And so she's headed back to school for the new year, and so I like to do a protective style on her hair, and that's what I'm doing here. With my kids, sometimes life can get somewhat hectic, and so that I can have balance in my life and time for other things, I like to just go ahead and, if I can, not all the time, prep her hair a night before. Okay, we are about to go outside. Nowhere special. COVID. Ashton has to get a COVID test, and that's what we're about to do. Go take him to get a COVID test, and maybe just go get something to eat. Nothing really to see here. And we're gonna go and just be outside for a little bit. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hold on, turn your speaker down. This part about to get explicit. You ready?
Just like the day that I'm the day I thought forever, the day that I'm but that'll last forever, the day that I met you, the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Hold on, stop. Can you play that again? Come on. He said he's scared. Why are you scared? Because you up here on the bridge?
Yeah, I don't want to fall.
Oh my God, it's almost like Paris. Like in Paris, how they have all the locks. So because if you're in love, you bring your love lock and you put it here. Isn't that so freaking amazing? I'm coming. Eating on the water. So cool. Gotta go. So sweet. Okay, this little nook that I have no idea about.
It looks fancy.
gotta look up. Ready? Okay.
Don't
Look
get
up.
my lace.
I'm not.
I know I'm not talking to you guys, but it's hard to talk to the camera at a restaurant when people are at the table. So I'm not trying to be rude. What did you say, Ashton?
This is going to take forever to finish. These things are thick. These are super thick. I'm going to go in and try the chicken strips. I'm going in for a big bite.
How does it taste?
Good.
Of course, my meat lover ordered me meat. Not a good start to the new year, but we're eating. We eating.
Can you play that again?
Bye. Thank you. I do not sit at a kitchen table. This is just leftovers from today, and I gotta have that Crystal's hot sauce. I know maybe one day I'll get a table that I want to sit at, but I doubt it because I probably just decorate it. I'm gonna either sit on the couch or in the bed. Sitting straight up is for restaurants. I just don't find it comfortable. So yeah, I'm finna eat, y'all. I forgot to add my drink. I'm drinking a white strawberry cranberry. White cranberry strawberry. It's one of those. It's cranberry, but it's the white strawberry cranberry. So it's not wine, but I am having it with my meal. And that is one of the oversized glasses. This glass is huge. So yeah. And I don't keep this glass up here. That's why I wasn't here. I normally keep it on the side. But that white strawberry cranberry is so good because it's super light. It goes down so smooth. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm getting ready for bed, but I'll see you guys in my next video.